Ever wondered why we celebrate Easter with bunnies and eggs? Easter, while a Christian holiday, draws many traditions from ancient pagan customs. Eggs and rabbits, for instance, symbolize fertility and renewal across various cultures. So, next time you see a bunny or an Easter egg, remember they're symbols of rebirth and renewal. But why a bunny, you might ask? Well, it all started with German Lutherans, who introduced us to the Easter hare. This hare was a judge of sorts, evaluating children's behavior at the onset of Eastertide. So be good, or the Easter bunny might just hop past your house. And what's with all the eggs? Well, this tradition dates back to the 13th century. From the opulent Fabergé eggs of Russia to the intricate pisanka of Ukraine, Easter eggs are celebrated globally. Next time you're decorating an egg, why not try a new style from another culture? Did you know Easter is celebrated differently around the world? In Australia, they adore the Easter bilby, while Poland molds butter into adorable lambs. Meanwhile, Swedish children dress as Easter witches for fun. So, whether it's a bunny, a bilby, or a witch, Easter is a time for renewal, celebration, and, of course, chocolate. Easter, a time of joy and celebration. Embracing traditions worldwide, we share in this vibrant history. Happy Easter!